Hi, this is Corey Rogers, VP of Marketing for National Equipment Dealers, and today we're here in Placida, Florida at Dot Crush. Dot Crush has been a good customer with us for the last couple of years. They own several Hyundai pieces that they've purchased from Ned over the last couple of years. JP Hulsey, their salesman's done a good job of supporting them. And I'm standing here next to Chris, who runs this operation. And Chris, I know you've got a couple different companies that are subsidiaries of your company. You've got Dot Crush and Dot Sanitation, I think
Correct,
it is.
yeah. Sanitation, dumpster roll-off business, Dot Lumber as well, a truss manufacturing business as well.
Tell me a little bit about how you got into this business, how the company was formed, and the opportunity that you've seen in this area.
So for the opportunity, first we saw that the builders needed trusses. So we started with that 20 years ago. Then from building from there, it just grew exponentially for the builders itself to kind of get rock sales, dumpster relation sales, anything to help them with their build. So we wanted to orchestrate ourselves around that. So.
Now we had the hurricane, what was it, last year?
Yep, Hurricane
Ian. You guys
Ian,
have been kind of doing a lot of the disaster recovery and that type of thing. Tell me a little bit about that, how that affected your business.
Let's just say a lot of the cleanup did come more towards our area because a lot of the other crushing plants are a little bit too far away. So with us setting up here before the hurricane did come, it was a great relief for, I would say, the area and for everybody else involved as well, because they can dump clean concrete here for free, and everything else we would take care of it. So
a lot of these demolition contractors going in and cleaning up, even from out of state, they're bringing materials here to you guys?
They did, yep. So let's just say a lot of people that did come out of state to help out the area would find us and bring it here and actually store some of their vehicles here too, because they had no place to store their vehicles. So it was almost a win-win for everybody.
Wow.
Yep.
So the type of material that you produce, I see you've got a crusher and screeners here. What type of materials are you producing, and what type of materials are you typically getting in here?
So typically our materials, we do accept clean concrete and concrete with rebar, also stuff cinder blocks, pavers, and roof tiles to make the proper mix of the ratio to get a good compaction is just a nice formula. Let's just say we've been trying to work out itself. So a lot of the stuff that has been coming in has been very clean material. It's been easy to process and manufacture itself into usable product for road base and stuff they can use for their application.
So Chris, tell me a little bit about some of the products that you guys produce and sell here at your operation.
So mainly we produce a road base. That is a 2-inch minus stone with the fines mixed into it. Then we take our road base material, we run it through our screening machine to separate 3 different sizes. From our paver base fines, our screenings, our 3/4 inch stone, and then to our 89 stone, our small little chit stone as well.
Okay. You guys bought your first Hyundai, what, about a year ago?
About a year ago, correct.
What was that, a 220A?
It was a 220A, correct.
Okay,
yep.
And I've noticed you've got 2 220As on this project, and there's an HL940A behind us.
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about your experience with Hyundai as a product line to do the job and do the work that you've got here, as well as how it's been working with our company, National Equipment Dealers.
So with National Equipment Dealers, I wanted somebody who was also local that could take care of me very fast when I needed it. So with these pieces of equipment, they were top of the line. So we needed something that wouldn't break down, that would be reliable, that we needed on a daily basis, that would, if we took care of the machine, it would take care of us. So we saw that exponentially. That's why we ended up purchasing a second 220 to help with our needs for crushing, because that has also grown exponentially itself.
Now I noticed you're using one of the 220s at the Dot Sanitation side of the yard. It's working a Pemberton rotational grapple, it looks like. That's a trash grapple and moving material like that?
Correct. We found with the sanitation of being able to combine some stuff to be, in bigger cans to be, take more to the dump to be, better and faster itself.
How have your operators reacted and responded to running the Hyundai equipment? Have they had any comments they've shared with you?
So the comments they had, it has been faster, because with the, the joysticks and how the buttons are set up, it can be very hands-on, more scheduled to more evolved around the operator themselves. If they have a special technique they like to do, you can also set that up to be catered to the operator itself. So
very customizable.
Yes, very customizable.
Yeah, that is one nice thing about the Hyundais is, especially with the 220s, they have something called EPFC, which is electric positive flow control.
Yep.
So as a dealership or as a customer, you have the ability to go in and tweak and change the flow priorities in it and the sensitivity, so we can make it fit your application specifically.
Correct, exactly. And for the safety, it's bar none. They, very safe piece of equipment. So that's what they also enjoy about the equipment as well.
Very cool.
So,
And if somebody was wanting to get in touch with you and learn more about your company and some of the products you have to offer for sale, how would they go about that?
so you can contact us by email. Our email is admin@dotcrush.net. Our phone number is 941-661-7536, and we're located here on 5000 Woodfield Drive in Placida.
Chris, thanks for taking the time to do this with us. We
Fantastic.
appreciate your business. Appreciate you buying the Hyundais, and we'd love to continue to work with you towards the future.
We look forward to it.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
If you'd like more information about National Equipment Dealers, Hyundai Construction Equipment, or any of the other products that we sell, please visit our website at nedealers.com.